A quadratic equation can have two real solutions, as in the case of x squared equals 4, one real solution, as in the case of x squared equals 0, or no real solutions, as in the case of x squared equals negative 4. In the quadratic formula, the value under the radical symbol, that's the b squared minus 4ac expression, tells you how many real number solutions exist. In problem 1, part A, b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, and there are two real solutions. In problem 1, part B, b squared minus 4ac equals 0, and there is only one real solution. Take note, key concept, discriminant. The discriminant of a quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 is the value of the expression b squared minus 4ac. Take note of the quadratic formula shown here. b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant, is the radicand in the quadratic formula. Discriminants and solutions of quadratic equations. Note this table. On the left, we'll see the value of the discriminant. In the middle, the number of solutions for the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And on the right, the x-intercepts of the graph of y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. First, if the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, is greater than 0, there are two real solutions. Examples are graphed here. First, an upward opening parabola with two x-intercepts, and on the right, a downward opening parabola, also with two x-intercepts. Next, if the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, equals 0, there's one real solution. Some graphs are shown here as examples. The vertex is the one point that is an x-intercept, first for an upward opening parabola, and then for a downward opening parabola. Finally, if the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, is less than 0, there are no real solutions. Some sample graphs are shown here. First, an upward opening parabola with no x-intercepts, and second, a downward opening parabola, also with no x-intercepts. Problem 3. Using the discriminant. What is the number of real solutions of negative 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 equals 0? Consider what you might think on the left and what you may write on the right as you work through this problem. First think, find the values of a, b, and c. And write a is negative 2, b is negative 3, and c is 5. Next think, evaluate the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. Substituting your values for a, b, and c, we write b squared minus 4ac equals negative 3 squared minus 4 times negative 2 times 5, and that's 49. Finally think, interpret the discriminant. And write, the discriminant is positive, so the equation has two real solutions. Your turn, part A. What is the number of real solutions of 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 equals 0? Part B. What is the number of real solutions of x squared equals 6x plus 5?